What is IoT? How IoT is helping in slowing down the climate change, and how IoT is used today in many things to help humans. Hello and welcome back to very first episode of Techiexpert. I am Alicia and we are going to talk about the IoT Internet of Things. So without any further ado, let's move ahead. Let's first understand what IoT means. The Internet of Things describes the network of physical objects, so known as things, that are embedded with sensors, software and other technologies that is used for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet of Things. The IoT is a technological development that makes it possible to connect many different machines that collect data in real time and respond to the specific problems. Let's now begin how IoT is helping in slowing down the climate change. The Internet of Things is about more than optimizing or creature comforts with smarter wearable devices, bringing new efficiencies to industry and logistics and enhancing our homes and workspaces with more responsive technologies. IoT solutions are already helping slow the destructive course of climate change. Global innovators are taking an active role aligning IoT devices with international standards for climate perfection. Now let me tell you about the most interesting thing that I have heard about the IoT. The IoT immediate potential to reduce carbon output. The Climate Group, a global NGO, advocates a widespread switch to LED lighting, especially in public spaces and for street lighting, to cut carbon emissions by 1.4 million tons annually. The US Department of Energy supports those goals through its Outdoor Lighting Accelerator program, which offers technical, financial and regulatory assistance. Meanwhile, innovative manufacturers are dedicated to making investment in LED, pay even generator dividends by developing city-wide digital lighting networks that functions as IoT. Enabled digital canopies, when integrated into this network, connected sensors can enhance city efficiency, helping route to vehicles, traffic for example, or for making it easier and faster for drivers to park, further reducing emissions. IoT-powered smart services and industry could account for a 3% carbon reduction by increasing efficiency and eliminating reliance on disposable materials such as paper in both the public and private sector. The another important thing that we would like to discuss with you is that IoT roles in carbon compliance and governance. IoT sensors will be increasingly important in the effort to expand carbon monitoring and taxation. As the UN Climate Action Sustainable Innovation Forum has reported, only 15% of carbon emissions are priced and taxed today, and the group's hopes for aggressive expansion. Enforcing anti-pollution goals has long been a challenge for regulators. The good news is that the climate-oriented public-private partnerships have grown in prominence during the 21st century. Enterprises, local governments and NGOs have all increased participation and coordination of large-scale climate change endeavors. Secure temper-resistant IoT devices like air quality and other sensors integrated into an urban area smart lighting ring, for example, could provide these bodies with constant and trustworthy monitoring and real-time reporting of actual carbon emissions and other pollution activities at sites participating in carbon reduction. This would help public-private partnership enforce standards even in the absence of a true global climate change agreement. The second most important thing that we need to talk about is IoT Environmental Sensors as a service and the future. Given the wealth of IoT technology today, the world could quickly move to a connected and responsive network available to all. Researchers are proposing a standardized environmental sensor network driven by IoT technology. One step towards that goal, access to a verified and consistent source of carbon and climate data, could help advance consensus and make policy easier to design and enforce. Managing climate change with technology is just the first step. Public-private partnership will need to grow and mature, and policymakers' commitment to invest in solutions has to intensify. The Internet of Things, for its part, will do more than keep score. It will provide actionable climate data, it will cut waste by improving the flow of people, energy, goods and information, and it will continue to adapt as researchers and leaders reach new consensus on the action we need to take to provide ourselves against the rising temperature and dangerous climate conditions. I hope this video helped you in understanding the basics of IoT and also how IoT is protecting us from climate change. That's it for today. I'm Alicia and thank you for watching Techiexpert. Do like, share and subscribe for all the latest tech talks.